Hey everybody, it's Craig with Clipscribe. Today we're talking about links. How can you make your video content linkable? Is it even possible to put links into your videos? And obviously I don't mean this type of link. I mean the type that you can click on when you put it on the screen. Well, the short answer to that question is you can't. You cannot. And at least as far as I know, technology is changing so fast. Every time I make a video, I'm thinking, is it possible? Is there some way out there that I'm not even aware of? So I'm going to say there might be some way to do this that I'm not aware of, but I'm not aware of it. And what I mean by that is embedding a link into the video itself. So don't get it twisted, okay? So you might go to YouTube and you might see links popping up on the video, and you might think, oh, there's links in that video. But if you downloaded the video, there wouldn't be any links in it. Those links are on the video. They're just HTML. They've been overlaid over the video so that it looks like they're in the video, okay? An embedded link would be one that you somehow put in the video, and then you just sent only the video to somebody, okay, by Dropbox or email or whatever, .mp4, .mov, and they open it up and there's a link that they could click and it would take them somewhere, okay? And I'm not aware of technology that allows you to do that at the moment. If there is some, it's extremely new, and most social media platforms, I don't believe, would support it anyway. So what do you do, and how can you get around this, and what can you do to make your video content linkable? So one thing that you can do to make your video content linkable when you can't put links into the actual video is link what you can. Okay, this is a pretty simple concept. There are lots of places that you can put links. When you post your videos to YouTube, there's a description section that you can put links in. Facebook, there's text that you can put links in. If you put it on a web page, you can put a link in the HTML. And this is actually better, at least at the moment, because it's text that currently gets indexed by social media platforms, by search engines. At present, and this may be coming very soon, but at present, most social networks, search engines are not transcribing every single video they get and then using that text to let people search off of it, okay? That's probably coming pretty quickly, but at the moment, it's not the norm. So put your links into the text, and then in your video, say, click link below, okay? Direct people to where the link is. And the great thing about that is if you embed a link in a video, you can only put really one link, at least one link at a time. A video is short. You don't have a lot of time to sit there and be like, okay, click a link, I'll wait, In the description, put as many links as you want. Put links to your webpage, put links to your social media. That leads me to another point here. You want to increase the potency of the links that you put on your social media content by cross-linking, okay? So you may not be able to embed a link directly into your video, but again, a benefit of that is that you can put more links into the description, into the text series, and then you can link that out to all kinds of stuff, okay? You can link to your social media platform. You can link to your own webpage. You link all over the place. So by cross-linking your videos together, your networks together, you're going to increase the effect that your linking is going to have. Another way to increase the potency of the links that you add to your video content, since you can't put them in the video itself, is you can repurpose your content for what I like to call the content compounding effect. And investing compounding is where your investment grows itself. Well, if you take one video and turn it into multiple pieces of content, that one video has now grown the audience and the reach that it could get exponentially by putting that content all over the place. So whether it's taking a longer video and taking little short sections out of it, like we plan to do with this video, or taking a video and transcribing it and putting it onto a blog, which I'm gonna mention in just a second. All kinds of ways that you can repurpose a single video. And a lot of times we don't think through that and we just put one video up, but you can benefit so much by repurposing your content for that content compounding effect, and let the links do the work for you all across your social media platforms. Another thing that you can do to make links in your videos, even though you can't embed them in the video, is you can make your video content searchable. Okay, so how do you do that? Well, a lot of us make videos and we post them onto social media, and that's the end of it, okay? And the problem with just posting video content on social media platforms is many of these platforms are closed platforms, or sections of them are closed, meaning Google is not indexing them. Search engines are not indexing them, so that if you do a Facebook post, if somebody searched for that topic, that your post is going to come up. And so you're missing out the benefit that the search engines give you by indexing your content and letting people find it for all eternity, basically. So one of the things Clipscribe does is allows you to turn your video into a blog post, and then you can take that HTML content, post it on your blog, along with your video and thumbnails and everything, along with links going to other blog posts, other web pages, other social networks. So now you've really not only amped up the power of your links, but you've got that indexable text and linking that's going to be indexed by Google. And so when somebody types in a Google search for something around that topic, your video is more likely to come up, and you're going to get the benefit of the links that you put in it. So these are some of the ways that you can add links to your videos without actually embedding links into the video itself. And hopefully this helped you out. If you want to check out Clipscribe, Clipscribe.com. It's video marketing software that helps you maximize the attention or amplify the attention your video content gets by letting you add automatic subtitles, headlines, emojis, logos, and that allows you to maximize the reach your content gets by helping you take one video and turning it into multiple pieces of content for multiple platforms. So check us out at Clipscribe.com. And if I can answer any questions, anything I can do for you in the comments below, I would love to do it. Give us a like. It would be appreciated. And thanks again. This is Craig Lillard with Clipscribe, and I'll see you on another video.